Oh shit, more parts.
What's up, B-White?
So this is the mount from MOONSMC for the lowrider. And you mount it up to your light, just like this. So they gave me screws, which didn't work. I don't know how it was gonna work. So I had to go somewhere and get some screws with the lock ends to bolt it down to the triple trees. All right, so once you got your mount screwed into your light, and then you screw this right there where those two holes are at. That one and that one. So it's gonna look something like that. Right. So I'm going ahead and screw this in, and then after that, gotta figure out where we're gonna plug it into. So that's how it's supposed to look. Still gotta tighten it down some more, but there it is. Okay, I got it nice and snugged on there. So now we gotta get power to it. If I'm not mistaken, inside this little box, there's a plug that this will plug into. So I'll take the gas tank off to get to it. So that's the next move. This is where we at. Unplugged it just to see if I could get into this box. And last time there was a plug for me inside that box that the LED light will plug into. So let's see what we got. So I took this whole box off. So this plug actually fits into the LED light bar, and it was plugged in to the USB charger port. So I'm going to solder the USB charger port to those wires, and then plug in play with the LED light. That way I don't have to run wire to the battery. So we're about to get it done right here. Let's get this thing started. So we got this thing all soldered up. Now, somebody still to wrap it around. So I got that all soldered in, dialed in. Now it's time to plug everything back up. Now I can plug my light right into the switch, and everything's gonna be copacetic. Still have my USB charger port, so everything's gonna get customized work done. Put a little hole right there so the wire can slide through. Then I'll plug it into that plug right there. Now we have lights. So that's what it's looking like. Plugged in. Cut it on so you guys can see. So one right here, you gotta push. So I have to put the lights. We have light. That's cool. So it has 3 settings. Finish the touches up, bolt it back down, and everything else is copacetic. This is how you adjust your shock preload, just like this. You change the notches. So it tells you right here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the notches is like where it's at. 1, 2, 3. I like to keep it on like a 3.